It's my birthday.
Yay!
Sage, can you do a birthday dance?
No.
Hey, Phoebes, let's see that shirt. What does it say?
You are here.
Where are we?
Earth. Can you see me? Can you see my nose?
I think so. How old are you? Sage, how old is Phoebe?
5.
5. How old are you?
2.
2. Happy birthday, Phoebe.
Thank you.
Can you say hi to your cousins?
Hi.
Who do you want to say hi to? I think it was Ryan
Everyone.
that requested this video.
Everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Phoebes, do your special dance move.
Dance move. Yeah!
Nice.
With balloons and all. Okay. That's all we got.